shifting, floating, growing, feeling right. With ginger eyes, survey the room. I wanna jump in on a hot, humid summer's day. Tell me what you're thinking. What we should get to drinking. Throw a coat. The countryside. I bathe in lime 'cause I'm a mermaid. I can hear you say, I feel the currents when we breathe together.
What do you think, Maggie?
You cannot be human.
You don't want to come out. Cosmos! You don't want to go down. Come out. Yeah, good girl. That's nice, Papa. That's nice. Good doggy, good doggy. It's been raining almost all summer, and this week it's been so intense. Everything is so muddy. But today the sun has started to rise over the mist, and it's been the most beautiful morning. And I think it's going to be a sunny day, which is so good, isn't it, Bee? In the rainforest, normally the dry season starts in about April and it stops raining then and then doesn't really start again until November or December. It was so sweet. But this year it's been so different, and there's still so much rain around, and it's late May now. Me and Bee spend most mornings like this, and same with Clover. Clover sits and watches the sunrise. It's so sweet. If there's a beautiful sunrise, I just look out and he's watching every cloud go by or each bird. He loves beauty, don't you? This is Bee. She has a feather condition, which means she can't waterproof herself. So she doesn't like rainy days because she gets wet and cold. But last week I made a raincoat for her. With all the rain in the past few weeks, there is mud everywhere, and all of the ducks love this except for poor Bee. So last week I decided to make her a raincoat. We've been using Render Forest to create fun little graphics of all the animals. We post about Bee and all of the animals' funny personalities and adventures on TikTok and Instagram. It's been so fun to create videos and posts on Render Forest that are quirky and able to communicate these little sweethearts' characters. We've only just started to explore the huge amount of things that you can make, and already we've become so inspired. As creatives, we create all sorts of things, from these videos to dresses, paintings, illustrations, gardens, and writing. And, of course, duck raincoats. Honestly, we just want to keep creating and not spend our time finding tools to communicate our work. We've become tired of always switching from membership to membership or website to website to find the perfect tools. But Rent a Forest solved this for us, providing a space where we can just find all of these tools and get back to the creating. They have the ability to make high quality videos, animations, logos, graphics, and more, and it's all in one place. You can sign up through the link in our description and get 20% off monthly and annual plans. Starting my morning in the garden always makes for the best days, but lately it's been too wet and muddy and we had to pause for a bit to not damage the soil by compacting it with our footsteps. Sometimes I have to remind myself that, like the earth, I need to pause too, resting and taking care of my body and mind. I'm back in the garden. It's been such a long time since I was down here because just this summer's been so wet, so the garden's got so out of control in the floods, everything just kind of got so soaked and everything started to die now, which is a bit sad, but it means I can replant. So I've got a lot of mulching to do. Hey duckies, you're so noisy. I've got so much mulching to do, and I might brush cut and try to mulch the organic matter back in. And I've got lots of seeds to plant. Hey duckies.
Every time I see you now, I'm seeing you for the first time. With your
Wim?
mouth wide open, drinking rain. Mobile espresso shots, we're in a Walgreens parking lot, and you kiss me while my song plays in your car. Tell me, Juliet, I think it's a start. You got a voice just like an angel. Quit ripping me
I disturbed you on your throne. I'm replanting some sweet peas on the trellis because the ducks ate them all. And I'm using their poop as fertilizer, which is kind of gross but kind of beautiful. You can see it's like made its own little compost underneath the pen. It's full of worms and it's such healthy soil. So I'm gonna plant them amongst that and see how they go this time. Hopefully ducks won't eat them this time. Hey, Wim?
before my birthday. I woke up to pictures of you. Do you still keep pictures of me too? It seems like the human thing to do. Maybe we can meet halfway in the middle of the world. I can be a sailor, I'll bet I act for you.
Maggie? No, that's my
Like I think I'd wear any hat
That's what
you
makes
ask me
Maggie!
just to see your face now. Anything for that face of yours. It's something holy. It's something pure. Deep in the waters, man, I'm thirsty for more. It's something magic. It's something sure. I'm a broken record, man, like all the shit you've heard before. I'm a broken record, man, like all the shit you've heard before. Maybe we can meet at the creek right by my house and smoke that green, that feeling. I can't be without it now. And you can hold my hand on the way home. Somewhere in the south,
Yeah, Mom.
I can see your face now. Waiting for that mouth of yours. It's something holy. It's something lonely. Deep in your earth, man, I'm high and I'm floating. It's something tragic. It's nothing more. I'm a broken record, man, like all the shit you've heard before. I'm a broken record, man, like all the shit you've heard before. It's something holy. It's something pure. It's something holy. It's something sure. It's something holy. It's something pure. It's something holy. It's something sure. It's something holy. It's something pure. It's something holy. It's something Everything I do now brings me back. I would like to ask you what I wouldn't dare. Our love should contract. We look best together, but I didn't last. Our love should contract.
Waking up early means that it's still morning, but I've already felt the fresh water on my skin, watched the mist dance across the sky, felt the soil in my hands, and experienced so much beauty.
Last time we kissed just
And now the rest of my day is free for me to work. Now I feel more prepared to concentrate on the complexities of pattern making while I take the day a little slower.
and how my body moves, waiting in the water out from under. I would like to scream now, thinking of that crime I sold on Love Circle Drive. All the clowns of Nashville up there getting high. So quiet. We were so quiet. We were
The music in this video is by Juliet Sunflower. Her music is just like her name. The dreamy folk is nostalgic and warm and brings a smile to our faces. You can find her links in our description.
so quiet.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. And thank you to our patrons, we appreciate you so much.
Oh God, it's been a while. I found a roll of film I shot just of your smile, but I don't